August 2026. I'm Raurii. Welcome on the live on YouTube. So, the news about today in Tahiti, Polynesia. Our internet connection was very low on the fiber and on the 5G because there's a storm in Hawaii and we have a cable from Tahiti to Hawaii. We put the cable in the ocean, and because of the storm our internet is very low today, so maybe the live is gonna back, so it's okay. And what's the news? Somebody killed someone in city of Fa'a. We find a dead body. We don't know why. It's so sad. And a good news, there was a workshop here in Tahiti this last week, from Monday to Friday, with 4 actors. We have Branchcombe Richmond. He played in the series The Renegade. In French we say Le Rebelle. We have a girl, she played in the series on Apple TV, Chief of War with Jason Momoa. We have my bro Wesley Clay. He played in many series, Hawaii 5-0. He played in Hobbs and Shaw. He played with Bradley Cooper too. He played in so many roles, bro. That's crazy. And there was Cliff Curtis. He played in The Walking Dead, the spin-off in Los Angeles. He played in The Meg, the movie Megalodon with Jason Statham. He played in Hobbs and Shaw with Dwayne Johnson. He played in many movies. I love him in Guerrier du Pacifique. I think it's Warrior of the Pacific, and I love him in The Walking Dead. He was the dad. Great role, man. So you see, it's a sunny day. Very cool. Oh, look at that. Beautiful bird. Beautiful bird in front of me. Banana is starting to grow. Here, the banana. We have many banana here. I'm so tired, bro. I'm at 500 steps and 5,000 and 500 steps. I want to walk until 10,000 steps. And 10,000 steps. I can't rest. I'm gonna live 10 minutes, guys. And after that I cut because I'm tired. And to lift my phone, it's not the best way to sport, you know. I'm gonna show you my papaya are start growing up. Look at the papaya. Let's go. Let's go see my cousin, Tehani. Cool.
Allez, ma cause.
Ça va?
Ouais, donc j'ai besoin de souffler un peu. Et comme j'ai besoin de souffler, bah, j'ai besoin de rigoler, tu vois. Besoin de faire des blagues. Alors qu'avec avec sa maladie, on peut pas s'amuser. Tu vois, avec sa maladie, on peut pas rigoler, on peut pas parler fort, on peut. J'ai des fois besoin de ce temps pour moi un peu pour pas par méchanceté, mais j'ai besoin de. Voilà.
Ouais, maman, Tehani.
On est parti chercher ma noix.
T'as Tinano?
On est parti chercher ma noix.
Et
Quand
ça
il
c'est
est
à qui
parti
cette
à son
voiture?
cours de.
La voiture chez toi, c'est à qui?
C'est à Tati Fifi.
Elle est là?
Oui, elle est partie pour aller chercher la noix avec maman.
Ah, ok. Ah, ok. Let's go back. I don't lie to you. I was resting on the bed of my cousin. Beautiful flower. I'm gonna take a picture after that. Look at that. Nice. Tu es en live? Hein? Non? So, as I say, I'm gonna live 10 minutes. And after that, I stop. We are at 9 minutes, guys. I'm gonna go up the hill, get the live, and put my music on. Let's go. Some chicken. Tahiti chicken. All right, chat. I cut the live here. Thank you for watching the video. I was sorry. No. Oh wait, I'm at 6,000 steps. 400 more, and it's okay. No.